When winter temperatures drop in Paoli, a reliable heating system becomes essential. If your current boiler is outdated, inefficient, or no longer keeping your home warm, it may be time for an upgrade. Homeowners in Paoli, Pennsylvania, trust PJ Mac HVAC air duct cleaning for professional boiler installation services. Our experienced technicians evaluate your home's heating needs and recommend the right boiler system for your space and budget. We carefully remove outdated equipment and prepare your home for a modern, energy-efficient installation. Using professional techniques and high-quality equipment, we install your new boiler with precision and care. We test the system thoroughly to ensure consistent, reliable heat throughout your home. A properly installed boiler delivers even, comfortable warmth while improving energy efficiency. The result is dependable heating, lower energy costs, and peace of mind all winter long. At PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning, we provide honest recommendations, expert installation, and long-term comfort solutions. How does a boiler heating system work? A boiler heats water and circulates it through pipes to radiators or underfloor systems, providing consistent and even heating throughout the home. What types of boilers are available? Common options include gas boilers, oil boilers, electric boilers, and high-efficiency condensing boilers. Are boilers energy efficient? Yes. Modern high-efficiency boilers can significantly reduce energy consumption and heating costs. Where is PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning located? We are located at 30 South Valley Road number 307 Paoli, Pennsylvania 19301. Our phone number is 610-424-6690. Visit our website, www.pjmachvac.com/air-duct-cleaning-service-paoli/.